Hi everybody, this is Nurse Danik again from Tyler, Texas. Tonight I'm gonna be making Vegan Saturday. It's called broccoli with shiitake mushroom and goji berries. This is about a pound of broccoli. Okay, these are the ingredients that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna have another ingredient is the garlic, and this is ginger. I soaked in mirin, M-I-R-I-N, mirin. This is what I'm gonna do right now. Look, saute that garlic. Once it's a little brown, you put your ginger, just the ginger, not the juice. So you squeeze that juice right there. Squeeze it. This is ginger and mirin. Squeeze it, not too much, and then we'll put that ginger in here. Saute that for about a minute. Smells good. And then we'll saute our shiitake mushroom. I soaked it in water and then I squeezed the water out. Shiitake mushroom. Okay, let's simmer it for about a minute, okay? While doing that, I'm gonna get the hot water. We put it in our broccoli like this, hot, very, very hot, okay? Right there. And then with that, let it stay for about a minute. I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon essential oil in my mirin. Just a drop. There we go. And that's my lemon essential oil. Okay, now there's the 1 minute. We'll put our give it a bath. So your vegetables are crispy. Give it a bath. There's your bath. Hair bath. Put it in here. Ta-da! your goji berries, and goji berries. Goji berries is very good antioxidant. And then we'll put some sesame oil. A little bit of salt. Stir it, stir, give it a good stir. One minute. I get a serving plate. Turn off your skillet. Off. Time to serve. Put your mirin on top. And then you serve. Dinner is ready. All right. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. This is Nurse Dadag again saying good night. Have a good weekend. Bye.